nau mai, kia ora. My name is Ryan.
And welcome to Wellington School. I'm Devon. Welcome to NEWS News for run to the 15th of September.
Straight to Tidiest Class News for Week 8. Pizza drum roll please for...
Proverbs 2, 7 and 11.
Pizza.
Ka pai. It's the last week, so make it count. Pizzas for only one Tidiest Class next week.
Okay, on to Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is ki.
Which is te rau for full. Is a koki to poku. Is your tummy full?
No. Kei te hia kai aho. I am hungry.
Aren't you lucky? It's morning tea time then.
True. Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Into our spelling bee news. Congratulations to all year 1 and 2 spellers yesterday. We have found our top 10 going through to the finals next Monday.
Some very good spelling and wonderful handwriting too. Ka pai Winton School, but only the top 2 from each house go through.
Today it's the year 3s and 4s. Please come to the library at 12:45 with a pencil for the spelling glory.
A reminder about sandpit toys and sports gear being returned to the correct places at the end of lunch.
Do the right thing. Duty teachers and house captains are watching you out and there to remind you too.
Library news. Can all 2015 librarians please meet in the library at morning tea? Kia ora.
Mini-Bill news. You're training at lunchtime again today at 12:45. Please be on time.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
No birthdays at Winton School today, but Ruby Davis' birthday yesterday, turning the big 6.
Sorry we missed you out, Ruby. Happy birthday for yesterday.
And that's all for the Winton School news. Thanks for tuning in. Ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay classy, Winton School. We leave you with some of Room 12's TV adverts for Market Day coming up next week.
Crafty Creations, it's where you get the cool stuff.
And we're making all things crafty. Would you like this? Or how about this? How about that? Or maybe even that? What about that? Or that?
Some brownie. It's as good as Popeye's spinach.
Thank you.
Come to the Baker Boy stand at the 2015 Winton School Market Day. Try some of our awesome lollycake, brownie and bacon egg pie.
The bacon egg pie has Mr. Tucker's approval.
Boys are better than girls.
No, girls are better than boys.
It's not a competition. Just chill.